what the virus, even it's not alive, can actually spread COVID-19. So I need to explain you this. So if you see this title, you may think in what's going on, whether it's a new mutation of this COVID-19 and things like that. But actually I need to explain you what is going on. And the COVID-19 is a virus, as I told you before. So we actually don't count the viruses as really live things. Or living organism. There's a reason for that. So let me explain you. So the COVID-19 is a virus. So virus actually, they have the nucleotides, but they actually cannot replicate themselves. That means they cannot actually multiply by themselves, because they need all the other materials need to take from the host animal. So that's one reason they cannot actually multiply and increase the number of cells and number of viruses by their own. So they have to actually touch with the host first before start the replication. And the second thing is that the viruses, they actually cannot use nutrition without a host. So again, they has to go to a host, and then depend on the host to get the nutrition and every single material they need for the for their replication and their production and growing and everything. So that's the second reason. And the third reason is we don't consider viruses are homeostasis. That means, for example, if you feel the cold, your body is trying to increase the temperature, they are starting to shivering, and they're like a different reaction that try to actually improve the temperature in your body. So that kind of thing is not possible with the viruses. So again, that's another reason why we are not consider viruses as a living thing. So even they have a material, they may actually can reproduce and replicate and everything, but they actually has to be in host, that's mean animal or a human, to start that whole process. So they cannot actually start that by their own. They have the whole mechanism how to replicate their own RNA or things like that, but still all the material they should take from the uptake from the host. So if you know that COVID-19 virus cannot be stay for a long time without a host, more than I think 9 hours. So that's why you need to have a social distancing and quarantine, and all this process will be really important. If you understand why. Another thing is this COVID-19 virus is kind of heavier than usual viruses, so they cannot be airborne. So they actually has to spread through saliva, or is coughing or things like that. So that's why you have to wear the masks when you're going to the outside and things like that. I hope this be helpful for you, and this is a small video that I need to explain you how virus actually working, and including the COVID-19.